Hell yeah.
So, what's up? Cuts by Reggie back again today with a quick video. At least we're gonna try to make it quick. I always say there's gonna be a quick video and then it end up being longer than look. Me rambling, gonna make it longer. But we're gonna do two quick reviews. And the reason I'm doing two in one, but because they're kind of re-releases per se. First, we're gonna start with and the reason this one's gonna be first is because I'm not gonna say too much on it. I've done a full review on the other clipper, the original, and there's nothing different except for it being gold. So, few questions. Does it cut the same? Is it as loud as the original one? How about the guards that they included? Do they match up with the double magnetics? Yes, it cuts exactly the same. The only thing different is the gold. That's literally it. The blade, of course, if you've ever used a master, cordless master or a regular master, you know that they're great for fading. Even when I use these, I don't do them for a full haircut. They're a great touch-up clipper to me. All right, back. Received the call, had to take the call. But like I was saying, they are a great touch-up clipper. I don't usually use them for a full haircut, even though they are good for a cut. I just rather use my magic clips. I rather use my JRLs to finish or to do a full cut. But these are good to go over everything every now and then. The second question is, are they as loud as the original ones? Now, when I did the unboxing, I was like, yes, they're still loud. And it's really because I'm in an empty room. So when I did the unboxing, it was in my home office and there was nothing else going on except for me talking. Just like now, there's really nothing going on. So yes, they still sound loud. For some reason, and it could just be me, it could just be my ears. During the day, and I said this in my original review of the Cordless Masters, they don't seem as loud while you're cutting. Like throughout the day, while you got other stuff going on, you're talking to your client. You know, some clippers you put close to the ear, and it's sometimes hard to have a conversation. Even with the Cordless Masters, the original, they don't seem too loud where I can't talk. With these, they seem just actually a little bit quiet. Even now, with nothing else going on, they don't seem as loud. All right, so good. The guards that come with it, was the guards worth $200 or $150 extra? Definitely not. Do they compare to the double magnetic, the purple double magnetics? Not really. They're not bad guards, but if you're used to using the double magnetic, you're kind of used to them. I do like their half guard better with those because if y'all watch my review, it's just me, I guess. But on my half guard, it's like rounded at the tip, and I can't really fade with that double magnetic guard, the purple one. So I do like this. This a little bit better. It got more of a point to it. So we're good. These are good guards. Will I continue to use this clipper? Maybe. I don't really know yet. Usually I have a definitive answer when I'm doing a review, but with these, I don't know, I might. I sold my last ones. I don't think I'm gonna sell these. I actually like these, so I'm gonna keep these for a little while. We'll see how it go. But the second clipper is, I guess, a re-release, but it's more or less of a budget version of the ERGO. Give me one second. So, from Gamma, you have the ERGO. And as you can see, I do use these every now and then. My wording is coming off. But you have the ERGO. Hour charge, 10,000 RPM, 2 hours of runtime, come with a charging dock, nice fade blade, a little thinner than some of the other ones out. This is a great clipper. I love this clipper. I love the handling of it. It comes with the face plates, everything, right? So, if y'all know Gamma did the Proteges, which is a budget style clipper of the alphas and the absolute hitters, the clippers and trimmers. All right. So what StyleCraft actually did, as you can see, StyleCraft, what they actually did was come out with a budget style clipper of the ERGOs. Now, when I say budget style clipper, you actually getting the same clipper. The only difference between these, you still get the 10,000 RPM, you get the hour supercharge, you get the 2 hours of runtime, you get the fade blade, you get the guards, everything's the same. The only difference with this is three things. The price. The regular ERGOs are $200. The StyleCraft version is $200, all right? So with these, they are $50 less. They're $149, all right? So you go for $200 to $149. But with that, even though you're still getting the same style of clipper, you're getting the same, everything's the same, except for the price, which is $50 lower. You don't get a charge dock, and you don't get the couple customizable lids that come in the package. But the best thing about that is, with this Rogue from StyleCraft, you can use the dock that comes with the ERGO if you already have the ERGO. And you can also change the lids of this clipper. So let's say you already have an ERGO and you really just want another ERGO to be a backup to your clippers, but you really don't want to spend that extra money for one. You get your Rogue. You can use the dock for this. If you're in love with the dock of charging, you can use the dock from your ERGOs, and you can change the face plates. And if you go to StyleCraft or if you go to Gamma online, they have different face plates that you can put on this. So is this worth the buy? Of course it is. If you watch my review on the ERGOs, which I'll leave boom right there. If you watch my reviews on the ERGOs, they was one of my favorite clippers from last year. Maybe you want two docks. You don't have to get this. You can still get the ERGOs, or you can still get the StyleCraft ERGOs. But if you want to save $50, you don't necessarily need the faceplate. You don't necessarily need the dock. Save you $50. Get the StyleCraft Rogue, whatever you want to call it, and save you some money. And still get the same, it's the same clipper. It's the same clipper, same build, same blade. Of course, this StyleCraft, this is Gamma, which are the same company, but you get it. StyleCraft usually have the extra colors and stuff like that. So, ERGO, Rogue, nothing different. Sound the same. Actually, just a little bit louder, but still get the same power. You get the 10,000 RPM. You get the 2 hours of runtime, blade, all the same. All right. So buy the Rogue. You can buy these if you want to spend $400, but they're not necessarily worth the $400, especially if you already got the original ones. But that's just me. But you do buy this, $150 or $200 for the ERGOs. But you can also save some money by using the discount code down in the description, or just go to Gamma, or just go to StyleCraft, buy anything you want from the website, even their new blow dryer. Use the discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you extra 10%. So if you want to get the Rogue, boom, you already dropped down to $150. Boom, put the discount code in, at least save on your shipping or your taxes. You get what I'm saying? So yes, buy the StyleCraft Rogue, save you some money. All right. So that was my two quick, and that video still wasn't as quick as I wanted it to be, but y'all know how I do. But if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, there's a thumbs down button right next to the thumbs up button. All right. Comment, share, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll definitely have more videos on the way coming back real soon. Peace.